Hi, I'm Donna Dewberry. I'm doing another Temu haul, and what I want to share with you is something I haven't done before. I'm doing a clothing one because I wanted to share with you what size I wear, what size I would buy, because sometimes it's different, and it helps us as we're ordering if I kind of show you what happens with my choices. All right, so each one of the individual clothing with Temu, they're wonderful. They send everything in an orange tight little bag, and you're thinking, nah, there's no way everything could be in there. But I have to tell you, each individual piece of clothing is in one of these wonderful little Ziploc baggies. And everything, it might look wrinkled when I'm showing it to you, but I'm pulling them right out of the bag to show you some material is really wonderful and it washes really well. And I've had many people tell me the same thing. So what I wanted to share with you is, first of all, this is a 3X and I normally wear a 2X. So I want you to see it's perfect length that I like here. The arms are really long. So that's okay if you just pull it up. But if you want it down, you know, the only thing I could think is put a little slice for you to put your thumb through when you're in cold weather. But look how nice it fits. And to me, this would be a 2X that I bought anywhere else. Now it's wonderful, stretchy material. And so it feels really good. If you even got a little bit tighter, I might could wear a 2X in it, but I don't like my tummy and everything to stand out. So that's where I am. And what I'm gonna do, because I've only done this, I've never done this. I've only done crafting with you guys. But what I'm gonna do, there's all kinds of things that we're gonna be putting on this video so that you can see where to go get it and prices and things. But what I wanted to share with you is this comes in some pretty other colors. And it comes with white, and it came with, my friend got a purplish color, and my daughter, who's a lot younger, said, oh my gosh, I wish I got that. But my friend, who's the camera girl today, this is her color. So I thought, I know she's not a 3X or a 2X, but I thought if it was really tight, I could let her have it, but because these are her colors, and so she did like it when she saw it. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna fade in and out, showing you the different shirts as I'm flipping them on. I also have a dress that's very interesting. I'll show you that. All right, so this fits my shoulders. This, I guess it does hang over my shoulders a little bit, but this is my size, which is a 2X. Now, sometimes I could use a 1X, but when I'm sitting and I'm moving around, I kind of like a little flow. If you're somebody who likes it tight, then I would go down less than that. But I love, look at this. It's got this cute little split here, or different points at the bottom. So this is the side view. So a lot of people who have a little bit of tush back there doesn't like it sitting on their tush. It's got a loose 3/4 inch sleeve, which I love. And when I press this, I think it'll turn out really well. This color is a color I like to wear, so it's nice for that. I like jewel tones a lot, but this came in many different colors, but I wasn't sure that I was gonna like it. See how the sleeves hang? And I don't like necessarily being overweight, having darts all the time. So this is kind of nice that it didn't have darts, all right? So check it out, 100% polyester. So washing this will be really nice, and you can probably pull it right out of the dryer and it would probably hang out really well, which is my habit. So I'm gonna go to the next one. I'm hoping this helps you. I hope you see the thing I love most about Temu is when I do find things I like, the quality is pretty darn good. I just want you to know the things I'm looking for. I'm looking for that silky material that washes and dries really easy, and the polyester that holds up really good. So there you go, and I'll be back in a minute. Hello, I'm back with some brighter colors. There were many different colors that you could get in this type of shirt. And I saw this as wearing a pair of jeans, being casual. It's nothing I'm gonna go to work in or anything, but something when I am out with my family or we're doing our events together or out at the beach, I can put it on and feel comfortable with a pair of shorts. So shorts or jeans. It's spandex and polyester. So it's got a really good stretch and it feels, it's not as silky as the other one, and sometimes I like this feel a little bit better. Look how nice and long the short sleeves are. They're not 3/4, and I used to only wear 3/4, but my husband says that I need to, my arms are fine. So at this age, I guess my arms are fine because they're not changing. So this neck covers a lot up here, so that's kind of nice. And so when I put it on, it hangs well. Oh, so this is a 3XL, and I absolutely am not a 3XL. But with this company, with these shirts, and there's many different colors. So look, it's the short sleeve, stripes going sideways. Michelle says, I don't look good in stripes going sideways. So y'all can tell if you think it made me look heavier. I know that about stripes going down. I'm just not sure about stripes going sideways. But anyway, this I thought would be nice for the fall colors. They had lots of bright colors that were something I probably really wouldn't wear, but there are a couple others I thought I'd try, but I went with this to show you maybe a fall effect that would be nice for you. And in Florida, this is as fall as you get. All right, so look how long it is. Covers my tush, makes me happy. And as we get older, we get that tummy. So I feel good in this when I put it on. So there you go, 3X if you want it snug. Like I said, I don't like snug for me. I don't like a side profile. And so you think about what you want, and I'll see you in a minute. Hello. So I wanted this linen kind of look. So look how cool this is. It kind of looks like linen, 100% polyester. So it's very light, great for Florida. It has a button here where you can have long sleeve button. This is a 2X, which is my true size, sometimes 1X. And everything else pretty much I was showing you was 3X. And the only reason I'd go up to 3X is because I've seen where they've got a 2X and it's still small. So I was very cautious about how I picked, and I wanted y'all to see. So look, it's got the scoop in the front and in the back, okay? So shirt tail, is that what it's called? It's a shirt tail. All right, so it has the button up, so you could just button one if you had shorter arms and just have a cuff. But this side, I rolled it up. So I might even roll it up another time. And it's not bulky when you roll it. It's really nice. And it doesn't have one of those tabs that you button up, but I think that makes us look older. So no collar, but look how nice it covers up if you have wrinkles and stuff. And I would be in some videos where they say cover your neck. So with this, I'd feel comfortable doing it. Feels very nice. White goes with anything, but there were many colors. So go check it out. I think you'll like it. I'm very happy with this. I would wear it out to eat. I would wear it to teach when I'm in the public. So I think it's a nice buy. So I'm gonna try on a couple more for you. I'll be right back. Okay, polyester spandex, a little bit of spandex, and it has a nice flat band on here, which is really nice. It feels really good. It is, did we figure it was a 3X?
Yes.
Yes, it's a 3X. And so it's really nice and stretchy. It fits me more tighter, but it's still comfortable. So I don't feel embarrassed to wear it this tight. Look how cute the splits are. So I like to wear leggings with designs on it. So I thought tons of colors, but look at the nice V-neck. It feels like really comfortable here in Florida, or if you're doing something casual or outdoor. It's really nice, covers the part of my arms that I like to cover. And check out the colors. This is 3X, and see what it fits for you. I'm normally a 2X, just keep remembering I wear 1X to 2X, depending on how much my weight fluctuates. But I don't have any pride at this point. I'm just saying how it is, because I want you to have a good choice when you go purchase, all right? So the sleeves are nice. The things that we should look at when you're buying from Temu is the length that you want it. Some of them are shorter, so you want to look for the length when you're looking at them. And go look at the customers' pictures that they put up. I picked all these by looking at those. So as long as they have a customer review, makes it really good. So check that out and try them. Let me know how you like them. All right, one more. Okay, Not my favorite. Now, if I got this in another color, I love pink. If I got this in another color and a size smaller, because this is a 3X, and I just knew I needed a bigger one because I wanted it to work for me, but it is very big. And so I can wear this like, what was I saying? I can wear it like, my husband said, hey, wear it for a nightgown around the house, a house dress. I would do that, especially when the boys have friends over. But this is why I kept it. I can wear this, this print. I can wear it around the house and feel comfortable in front of guests. And I have this piece. See this piece? I wear black all the time. So what I love is I can wear a black tank, black leggings, and wear this little over piece and put some jewelry on and feel really good. Don't you think that'd be cute, Michelle?
Yes, I do.
I think I should have kept on the black shirt and showed you, but I just think that these over pieces are really nice. And this is 3X, but it doesn't feel huge. So that might mean if you get a smaller size, this might be a little bit tighter. So this is good for me, thinking that I can wear this, but to me, it looks like grandma's. All right, so is it just the size or is it the color? That has to be up to you. I thought we were having a vintage and I thought this soft, pretty pastels would be pretty, but I didn't wear it, but I'm still gonna use it because the price you cannot beat. So, come up a little closer so that they can see the feel. This, the one thing about some of this fabric is I don't know if air goes through it, but this is so sheer that makes it really nice. But this is kind of a silky, and we didn't look, is this polyester? It's probably polyester. And then this is, see how nice, it's kind of sheer. And this feels really comfortable. I've worn overshirts like this a lot. And I wear some fancy black shoes with little stones and the black underneath. And I can actually, we could put brown with this. There's a lot of other colors you could put underneath the pink. But look at both pieces because it's so inexpensive. You can't go buy nightgowns for that these days. So that was my trip towards the unload of my Temu haul, yes. And I'm Donna Dewberry, and I hope I helped you make some good decisions. Go sign up. The app helps you order easy. So thank you for being on. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a shopping pleasure with Temu like I do, and I have a great time doing it. And if I make a mistake and something I don't like, I can ask for a refund. Thank you.